Previously, all-in-one chat replies were not clearly distinguishable, requiring separate chat widget or live chat triggers, which made setup confusing. So, we've introduced this filter selection for cleaner automation. Let's give it a look. Select all-in-one chat directly from the reply channel dropdown, separating this option from single-channel widgets. Filter replies by chat type to decide whether the reply should come from a full all-in-one chat widget setup or the live chat within that widget. Depending on your selection under chat type the next filter will either list only all-in-one chat widgets or all-in-one live chat configurations. This addition introduces minor changes to how the customer replied trigger is configured. Let's learn how this filter works. Create a workflow and select the trigger, Customer Replied. Add the filter, Reply Channel, and select All-in-One Chat. Add the filter Chat Type and select Chat Widget or Live Chat. Select the specific widget you want to respond to under Chat Widget or Live Chat This makes automation cleaner, more flexible, and easier to configure for unified chat setups, thanks to the intuitive filters that show only relevant widgets. We hope you enjoy it.